I've made a slime farm. I've also designed this little AFK thingy majig, which is basically string observer, sticky pistons get 0 ticked, which is quite nice and convenient because you don't have to place any blocks, just AFK. There's the magma where they all get discombobulated into slime balls. Come on then. And here's the storage system. Obviously, I've been very optimistic with the amount of chests I've put here, but it still gives a decent amount of slime. So yeah, I finally got this project finished. That fence thingy is where the iron golems are, and there's just a bunch of platforms with torches on to stop the mods from spawning. As you can see, the magma goes around in a big U shape, just so that if any slimes fall off the other side, they'll go through. Obviously, I want to put some golems on the other side, which I haven't got around to yet, to make it a bit more efficient. Just go up to the top so you can see it from above. Nighttime. Darn. I've got a jukebox there, foreshadowing, because I also have a music disc farm to show you. Got a bunch of music discs in here. I desperately need some more rockets. Oh my goodness, I am running out of those things. Paper. Ah, what? It still doesn't let me craft rockets from the crafting menu, which is strange because I've made a few so far. Oh, I need to go to my mod farm again. I'm running out of food as well. What? Right outside my front door. Rude. Okay, so show you how this thingy works. So basically, we've got a skeleton here, shoots at this iron golem. The water stops the arrows from actually hitting the golem. Cookies are rubbish food. And this whole thing here is basically just a creeper farm with trapdoors on all over the top to stop anything from spawning, and other than creepers, and then some carpets placed strategically to stop spiders as well. So basically just a good old-fashioned creeper farm. And down here we have a nano farm for twisting vines. Let's get a tiny bit of bone meal from this other nano farm. Inventory's full. And I'll stick this in the dispenser so I can demonstrate. So that's given me a good few twisting vines if I ever need any. And finally, if we go over to the nether, down this hole I finally put some glass walls on either side so that I don't get shot at, and I put some glass up here as well to cover the bedrock up and make it look a bit cool. And here's my hole in the bedrock, and here's my hole in the bedrock that I didn't mean to make, and there's the gold farm. Looks like a giant fancy square, because that's exactly what it is. Giant fancy square. I had some fun making this because I didn't know gas spawning mechanics, so I got gas spawning on it. I got some cobwebs here to make it a bit safer. The problem is sometimes you get stuck in them and have to wait to fall all the way down. But that stops you from taking any kinetic energy damage. We are slowly falling. There we go. And if we just get one of these guys. There we go. They'll all come through. We'll start taking entity cramming. We can use looting, but it overloads the hopper system. And it does give an insane amount of XP. You can get from level nothing to level 30 in like half a minute. If you want to. And the swords go in and out of the hoppers and make a weird popping sound for some reason. Didn't know that's how hoppers work, but they do. Ah! I don't want nuggets. Just leave me alone. Items. Gives a good amount of gold as well, which will be great once I get some sort of piggling bartering system. Can't really turn this farm off though, and it looks like it's a bit laggy on the video end of things. So that's it for this video. The farm, music disc farm, and gold farms are my latest projects. They all took a fair amount of time. It was all quite fun, and hopefully you enjoyed having a look through them all. And leave a comment if you like this, would like me to do different things on my single player world, like specific ideas. Prefer all the types of content like the Bedrock Edition brewing tutorial that I made uploaded around the same time as this video, or anything else really. And thanks for watching.